Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's show you on how you can stretch an image in GIMP. So, of course, without further ado, the first thing that I'm going to do is to put an image onto our project, which is going to be this one. Right after, you want to press Shift S, which will take us to the Scale tool. Or if that didn't work, head over to Tools. And here, select the Transform tool, and there's going to be Scale. Now, before you do this, basically in here you can adjust the photo the way you want to, but if you want to scale out, it will just be in uniform scaling. So the goal is to turn that off, and there's going to be this scale window. Just go ahead and select this link icon. This is basically the uniform scaling that prevents us from messing the original resolution or scaling of the photo. So once this is turned off, we can do whatever we want to with our photo. We could scale it to whatever we want to, and from there you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.